Kurdistan, Choni Vashi. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. So yes, I have another Kurdish reaction video for you. Okay, so today we're gonna react to something new, very new to me. Also wearing glasses and my hair. Okay. So let's watch this video. The singer name is Jamshid. I don't know who that is, but it's good because I love finding new music. Okay, let's go. Oh, I love that. It just takes me to a land. Oh, wow. So the video is kind of old, so I don't, it's okay. Hey, Henneke. Oh, yes. I already like it. The melody is very like, oh yes. Girl, you know I love to dance. Oh yes. Oh yes, this is my type of song. You guys know I love to do the thing with the thing. Hey. Girl, you know I'm about to dance. Okay, I need him to sing now. Excuse me? He good. Hey! Girl, I like this song. Jawani sing. Oh girl, I love this song. Hey, he is good. Hey, hey, girl, this song is my song. I like this song. Hey. Oh, I like this song. Oh yes. Hey, I mean hello. Yeah, you and me. Oh yes. Oh yes! Oh, that little part. Oh, that's a yes. Hey, you know me. Okay, yes. Oh, this is my favorite song. Yes. Oh, he's good. Very good. Amazing. Amazing, guys. He is amazing. I enjoyed this song so much. It gave me, it's just, oh, I just feel so energetic. If you have more music that I need to watch, comment down below and I'll do it as soon as I can. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And oh my gosh, that song is really good. Really good.